Face so many challenges. We've got the challenge of fertilizer, which is expensive. As of I talk now, it is at 150 shillings per bag of 50 kilograms. So there are other agronomic practices such as weeding, pruning, buying packing baskets, what. So we have really gotten frustrated because if you sell a kilogram at 250, it means a worker is going to charge you 150 shillings. So the balance is almost the 50 shillings.
In September last year, we had a problem of uprooting the leaf, the tea plantations by the farmers. This was due to prices. The prices lowered and the people opted to uproot their shambas. But as I talk, since the prices are now moving up, we have started raising the prices both outside and within. So people have been sensitized, are now being sensitized slowly, so that they should not continue uprooting. Others have started replanting.
We are having challenges with tea prices. Prices have fallen from 700 shillings per kilo of green leaf to around 200, 250 shillings per kilo. And that is a big decline in the prices.
This is not a very wise decision because planting a tea garden up to bearing takes around 3 to 4 years. And like all agricultural crops, tea prices have risen before and fallen before. So certainly they will rise again. Right now they are down, but they will rise again. So if you uproot tea plants now, it will take you about 3 years to plant and then have them in bearing again. So it is certainly affecting us as a production unit because it brings down our production, but it's still on a small scale. However, as a tea company and a tea business, we are encouraging our farmers through our extension services, through our clerks that go to the farmers daily, to give them hope to not uproot their gardens, because the projections are that we might have price increases of made tea by around June this year.
So many MPs asking government to do something to improve the tea industry. Even in yesterday's New Vision, on the front page, the headline was 100,000 people are losing jobs because of the crisis in the tea industry. In the same message, they are talking of 9 factories which have already closed. Why? This is because of the price falls on the international market. Quality, as the general manager has reported, quality is a big factor in determination of the price for our teas. No fertilizers for farmers. Fertilizer is a very big component when you are talking of leaf quality. But because of the wars in Russia, Ukraine, etc., and those are sources of the inorganic components of the fertilizers, the fertilizer availability has been a problem. Marketing is also a big problem. There was what is happening in Suez Canal, that also has affected our marketing process.